Hi guys, this is Maggie from Digital Nomad, and in this episode, I'm going to cover the topic of preparing or creating your online presence. So, if you want to work online, if you want to make money online, obviously you want to be found by somebody who will be searching for the service that you're providing. They will be searching for this kind of website in search engines. So they will be using Google or Bing or Yahoo and so on. So in order to be found, you obviously need to have either a website or a blog post, something that you can direct traffic to, and ideally it would be website with a blog. So I don't really recommend having a WordPress blog post or WordPress blog or blogger blog, because it definitely isn't that professional. It looks more like a hobby if you've got just a blog, but if you have a website with a blog on the side, it looks more professional. And once you get a website, obviously you need to have custom domain name, connect the custom domain name to your website. I also recommend having few options for your domain. The standard is obviously www.yourdomain.com or without www, but this is given as a standard right now. It is free for most of the domain name registrars. Um, Another option, for example, if you are based in USA, obviously you need .com extension, but sometimes this extension is the most expensive, because everybody wants to have .com extension, even if your domain name is quite unique. But the good thing is that there are loads of options that you can choose from when you are registering domain names. So you can have .co, like .co, or you can have .store, or you can have .biz, or you can have .club. Plenty of extensions that are cheap as chips, and they still give you an online presence. Um, what I would definitely recommend getting .com, because um, I remember when I first registered my website address, it was, I didn't really think about getting .co.uk or .com, because I was based in UK back then. I just got rockpapercopy.co.uk and I had it, and then I purchased .com, but I didn't extend it .co.uk, and someone purchased .co.uk, and it's like a shoe store, and I had few of customers emailing me, "What's wrong? Did you change? Did you change business? Did you change niche?" I'm so sorry. I think I've got a cold. And oh, that's terrible. Yeah, so rockpapercopy.co.uk still belongs to a shoe store, which is not ideal, but it's okay. These things happen unless you are a huge brand and you want to secure your custom domain name. This could be an issue, because you would have to speak with the owner of the other domain name and say if you can purchase the domain name from them, which I don't probably need to mention that it would be a very expensive process. Now, how further can you establish your online presence? Apart from having a website, now you have to promote your website. You have to be active online. You want to blog regularly, blog about your services, blog about how you can help your customers. So don't blog about what you are offering, but have another angle to this story, because you don't want to say, "I'm offering search engine optimization." Say, "I can help you bring more traffic." This is definitely more appealing option, because you are telling how people can benefit from purchasing your package. So you have to always tell about how you can help your customers, how your customers can benefit from working with you, and how you can help them get to their goal. So their goal could be traffic, there could be more sales, and so on. So you have to know, and you have to know what you're delivering, and you have to know what people are searching for, so you know what to deliver. Obviously, research keywords. This is still very ignored thing, because after latest this panda and penguin updates, people think that keywords don't matter, because keywords alone really don't make a difference. But when when you're optimizing your pages, you need to use the keywords in the right density in order to be found in the search engine. So if you search for a certain term in Google and you see that the websites on the first page, they all are perfectly optimized, and sometimes you can see that they're using the keywords that they are ranking for on the first page. They're using keywords in the meta title, in the first paragraph of the page, and they use the same keyword phrase few times within this page, and this will improve the way you rank in search engines. Now, you have to be careful. Obviously, you don't want to stuff your page with keywords, because that was the main issue. That's why people started being aware of, or being scared of using keywords. But keywords are needed. You need keywords the same way as you need backlinks. You just have to be more reasonable with using keywords. People were stuffing keywords. People were having like whole paragraphs just for the keyword, just of the keywords, like keyword, comma, keyword, comma, keyword, comma. It is not making the website valuable for customers. That's why the update was in place, to avoid this kind of keyword spamming. And when it comes to keywords, obviously you need to find the ones that you can rank for. So don't go for the most general keywords, don't go for the most popular keywords, because it will be almost impossible for you to get to the top pages of Google. I'm not even saying first page of Google, but with the most popular keywords, you probably won't even get anywhere like 10th of 20th of page of Google. So you have to be really smart when you're researching keywords. You have to find the keywords that are not targeted by big brands, and you can find it by searching for this, putting this keyword in Google. And if you see that the first page of Google is reserved for the big brands such as ASOS, such as Zappos, such as Amazon, you know that there is no point for you to fight for a placement. There's no point for you to target this keyword. It just will be uphill battle. You will spend a lot of money if you want to pay for the PPC campaign, and basically you will barely see any movement. So you want to target the keywords that are maybe less popular, but they are still within your niche. Maybe there may be attract between 1,000 and 10,000 monthly searches, which still gives you a pretty very nice nice traffic. And search for the keywords that are very specific. So if you will be doing SEO, um, or I'll give you an example on something different. If you are selling clothing, let's say, if you are dropshipping and selling clothing, let's say dresses, don't target keyword like ladies dresses or ladies black dresses, because first of all, this is very general keyword, and it will be very difficult for you to to be found in search results for this keyword. And second of all, people who are actually looking to buy the dress, they are not looking for very general keyword. They're looking for very specific item. For example, fitted dress, or knee high dress, or I don't know, knee length dress, I think, or um, loose black dress, or lace black dress, something like that. So something that is very specific, that will bring very relevant traffic. And because you will be targeting relevant traffic, your conversion rate will be much better, because you will be getting a traffic from people already searching for this specific product, so your chances of a sale are much bigger. And as I mentioned, blog regularly. Why blogging is important? It's because Google, when they are assessing websites, when they see two similar websites with a similar size, similar content, they will check which of these was updated more recently, and they will rank the website with more fresh content or updated most recently. They will rank higher than the other website that wasn't updated that recently. So every blog, every update on your website counts as a fresh content. That's why it is important to keep updating your website, and the blog gives you the perfect opportunity to keep your website fresh and to rank better in Google. So make sure that your blog is integrated within the website. Don't choose to blog on another platform and then link to your website. It won't count as a content that is being updated within the website. So you have to blog you have to have a blog integrated within the website, even if your blog has got the same domain name or domain name with certain extension on your blog or on your WordPress blog. Definitely don't. It doesn't count as something that will be updating your website content. It will be counting as a backlink, which is fantastic, which is great. So you have to take that into consideration, but it won't be counted as a fresh content on your website. And also, each page that you are working on, make sure to optimize it for the search engine. There's a nice tutorial on my website, www.rockpapercopy.com. I link it from the description, and it shows you step-by-step instructions how to optimize each page. This is directed mainly for the Shopify owners because it is being done on the Shopify platform, but the same things are universal for all the platforms. So maybe the editing section of your page will look differently, but the whole process will be the same. So inserting internal links, inserting hashtags, optimizing hashtags, checking if your page is optimized using word cloud, and so on and so forth. So definitely do work on optimizing your pages as well, and it's always easier to optimize the pages as you go instead of doing the pages and optimizing them all afterwards. It's just double work for you. So this was a video section, a little bit different because it was a little bit more technical, but I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and find me on www.rockpapercopy.com. I'll speak with you next time. Bye bye.